This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Zilberer. Looking for low maintenance, like new home with no steps? Look at this 2-bedroom, 2-bath cluster home located close to MDH'S medical campus. This one-level home has everything you need. Updated with luxury VINY plank flooring in the living area's beautiful updated kitchen with newer stainless steel appliances, tiled backsplash, and lots of cabinetry. A great updated bath, custom tiled walk-in shower. Master bedroom also has a very nice large shower and walk-in closet. This home has other newer updates like interior paint, lighting, HVAC, window treatments, and your low HOA handles mowing and snow removal for you. For more information, review the details below.